with you, I shared that I happened to go to the school and I gave a session for my teachers. Seeing that the school principal, who was my ex-school principal, the same school, but she worked in that school and then uh, she is currently working in Bangalore. She saw that post and she happened to call me immediately and she was like, I feel so jealous that you're taking a session there. I don't know anything. You gotta come to my school and take up sessions for my teachers. And then I told I would love to take sessions for the children and parents. She was like, I'm really looking forward to this. And she was so very happy and she was in all praises that I feel so good that once upon a time you were a student of mine and now you would be taking session for my teachers. And it has been a journey for me also to see my student transform in such a beautiful way. And moreover, she was like, in such short period of time, I can see you becoming a mentor and taking sessions not for students but for teachers. So that's a huge achievement altogether. And she was super, super proud and she was praising me and she was more than that praising my parents also, saying that they gotta be more like happy about this whole transformation that I've gone through. So that was really amazing for me because she was the one whom I used to always look up to. Because the way she was an English
Yes,
teacher. So you know how an English teacher is always poised and graceful. So always I
yes.
used to look up to and now she is approaching me for the same. And also one more share I had is that during my phase when I had to go through all of my back pain and I approached one of them for therapies and everything. Like she took up inner child healing for me and everything. Today, she happened to call me and we had a discussion that she would like to take up sessions from me regarding her personal issues with regard to relationships and everything. So I was really
Wow.
amazed how literally God puts us in each other's life to just help every other person to bring them about and bring the best in each other. Because I was at the low life condition, she helped me. Now I felt I was being the channel to help her in her low times. So I was really amazed to see
Um,
how God just makes things happen in such a magical and beautiful way. So
yes,
honestly, it's all about surrendering and just go with the flow. And yeah,
amazing.
there will be days when we go through those low life things. And when we are in that point, I feel that you don't have to blame the situation. You have to do your inner work. If the inner work is missing, you go
Yes,
down, you work on yourself, nothing stopping us. So this was my share, and
amazing.
this was what I wanted to tell everyone.
Yes. How many of you love this? Like, your therapist taking sessions with you. How many of you would love that? Anything is possible. And, that's why I say that, once you learn, once you're certified yourself, you will not have to keep going from door to door, from doctor to doctor, from therapist to therapist, counselor to counselor, for help. You would be able to do it yourself.